That's a cherry. That's a ice cream with a cherries on top. Cause you like it? That's for you. That's for you. You don't want it? No. Okay. We love the honesty. That's not yours. Yours right here. Huh? That's yours.
Bingo. Thank Mommy.
You're welcome. Look, Trey, look at yours, because you like fries. It says, I only have fries for you. Oh. Look, you got a book?
Yay, you have a heart. I got a heart.
You got a heart?
Yes.
And matching pajamas.
Yes. I can pajamas.
We'll open them when it's time to go to bed. Come. He's so happy. It's a miso soup. You got a book. Ooh, and matching PJs with your sister and brother.